I've been dying to say this for years now. Years! And I just confirmed my beliefs. I watched Furiosa and Mad Max Fury Road back to back. And I have to come here and tell you guys, Fury Road, more like Fury Snore. That movie is so boring. I think Furiosa was more interesting. And maybe it was because it was my first time watching Furiosa, and I've already watched, I've actually only watched Mad Max twice. The first time, I was 12 years old when it came out, and I watched it, and I fell asleep. I actually said at that time, they should have called that movie Furiosa instead, because this has nothing to do with Mad Max. And it's super boring. The second time was just yesterday, and you know what? It was crazy boring. So now, I'm going to try to play the 2015 game to try to get a little bit of the Mad Max stuff that I actually like. I have yearned for the true Mad Max experience, and I think this is it. This is the true Mad Max. Now I will get to see him drive his car and shoot people as Max. I'm already witnessing it now. He's getting gang stalked by a bunch of white supremacists. I have watched the both of the movies, so I have all the knowledge required to watch these movies except for the first 3 Mad Max movies. I know that is Scrotus. Rictus. That guy's name is Rictus Erectus. And he is the son of Immortan Joe, brother of Scrotus Scrintus. Now I want to know how Max caught up to this truck on foot. Barefoot, mind you. No, not the dog. Now we have to kill this guy. Now give me some gameplay. Now give me some gameplay so I can kill this guy. Oh my, no. Oh, Rictus, no. Rictus is good. That dog did not survive getting punched and then thrown off a car. I don't think Rictus should have survived having a chainsaw through the half of his head, but I mean, that chainsaw went straight through his head. I see. The water is my Estus potion, and my gun is my sword, and every game is Elden Ring. Where that dog at? Where that dog? Dog? Goddamn dumbass dog got trapped in the goddamn dumbass cage. You're gonna make me kill this guy? All right. Oh. You're gonna make me kill you over here? Kill. Speak. Oh, this is a reference to the first movie where Max eats dog food with his dog. No wire, but ammo to unlock wire. Oh, look, this is how we unlock wire. Wait, left bumper? That's weird. Left bumper plus B? No, it's not. It's left bumper plus right trigger. More wire. Press X to circle down. Melee combat unlocked. Oh. Elden Ring. Elden Ring. Elden Ring. Elden Ring. Parry. Elden Ring. Batman Arkham. Elden Ring. Actually, way better than Elden Ring. Oh, that's where the wire was. All right. So I just killed those guys for fun. Driving unlocked. What in the... What is this, chum? I was promised a car. You expect me to trust you to build a machine off of some scraps in a cave? How am I expected to go anywhere in this hunk of junk that looks like a mimic from FNAF? Just like one of the endos. We're gonna have to make a stop at Gas Town. I know this place. It was destroyed in Furiosa, but they still talk about it in Fury Road like it's not destroyed. So I don't know what that was about.
Out of gas.
Oh no, Raiders! Right as I ran out of gas, too. They'll never stand a chance, though. I played Arkham City Armored Edition on the Wii U when I was younger. I'm practiced in this martial art of Taekwondo, and I got the fuel. I only had to kill 3 men for this. What happened to the dog? What did we do with the dog? Dog die? Uh-oh. Whoops. I did not mean to do that. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, my gosh. Oh. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is about this driving. I don't know. Is this realistic? Is this how real cars drive? Because this feels very, very slidey. I mean, I guess they're driving on sand, but like, feels like I'm driving on water right now. We're just going to waste all this good fuel, though? I used my bullet to just blow up that other thing, though. I don't have any more bullets. Squeaky, I don't have any more bullets. What do I do? Uh-oh. I think I could have ignited it if I had it in my hand, but I can't pick it up anymore. It phased through the... I think I just soft-locked myself. Looks like we're just going to have to restart. We're going to have to try this one more time. Perfect. I'll just take my fuel can and gently place it down next to this and ignite it. Nice. Let's go. Scrutch. Oh my fuck. You said that when I was hitting it. How am I supposed to avoid that? How am I supposed to avoid that? How am I supposed to avoid that wall, man? That chasm is right there. No, no! Where are they coming from? Where are they coming from? Where are they? They're missing a lot, actually. Actually, they're really ineffective pieces of defense. I don't know. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. What's up with you guys? I'm chilling. Do not blow up. Do not blow up. Do not blow up. Do not blow up. No, it's not gonna blow up. It's just on fire. Amen. We have selected our body. Ladies and gentlemen, behold the magnum opus. The Blazingas are here, but they'll never defeat me. Bring on all the Blazingas. Oh, a knife, a knife, knife, knife. No, I can't even see. I can't even see. If I can't see, I can't parry. But since I can see, I will parry. You guys are never gonna do anything to me, ever. I think. Let me shiv this guy, man. Get off my ass. You guys aren't worth a damn to your mothers. Behold, everyone, the magnum opus. In the form of the Dirola, which I didn't think was a pickup truck. But I think they're all pickup trucks. Oh yeah, you guys are done. Goodbye. Stop trying to fight. Stop trying to fight. Get off my car. Get off my car. Get off my car. Okay. I actually can't get out of the car to fight this guy.
Hurry up and fix the car.
Hurry up and fix the car, chum. Fix the car, chum. I didn't know Max was British like that. Can we get a paint job on this thing, chum? I mean, this thing is butt ugly.